guys up here are repairing the track. Otherwise I'd be on the train right now, but because they're only using one track, it got really busy. It's like shoulder to shoulder and it's hot out, so we're just walking instead. Walk to the next station and see how it is. Probably gonna be busy there too, but we'll figure that out when the time comes. Check out some of the dealerships on the way here. Acura dealership has an NSX ad, but I don't think there's any NSX here. If there was, I'd like to go film it, but I kind of just don't think they have any.